We.Lock smart keypad lock features with its premium material, intelligent system, and human-oriented design. It adapts with advanced technology, allowing you to manage door locking and unlocking through app. You can unlock via 5 different type of keys like with app, temporary e-key, passcode, mechanical key and induction card. We.Lock Smart Lock is a reliable home or office, bringing you both convenience and safety insurance. Please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon to stay updated with us. Please also share this video and tell us your feedback in comments. Let's unbox it. You will find warranty card, a catalog, double-coated tape for door protection, main lock, 2 keys, IC cards and other hardware. The smart lock is really easy to install. You can replace the existing door lock all by yourself with just a screwdriver, no costly locksmith required, no hard wiring needed. This Bluetooth keypad door knob can set up to 10 user code for different users and occasions such as cleaner, short-time worker, pet sitter or airband tenant, office meetings. Codes can be programmed or deleted. This smart lock allows you to see the visitor records on your app, see which visitor at what time unlocked the door, enhance the security level of your home. This digital door knob can lock the door by itself to prevent you forgetting lock it, not need to worry about whether you have locked the door or not. Hope you like this video, product link is mentioned in description.